Home calling base, are you receiving us? Home calling base, are you receiving us?
Base to home. We are receiving you loud and clear.
Home to base, we wanted to let you know that phase 1 has been initiated. We've got a good number of possible candidates sending over the files now.
Base to home. That's great. Really great. The old folks, they're gone. We need new faces to take on that challenge. People that can create history, reimagine our future, bring about absolute wonders.
Home to base. Hope you've received the files.
Base to home. Affirmative. Receive the files. I see potential. But the real question is, who's it gonna be?